Welcome. In front of me is a BLACKVIEW A80s, and today I will show you how we can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of the screen twice, which will then show you a bunch of toggles, and next locate the hotspot toggle. For me, it is visible right over here. Now you might find it on other pages. So anyway, once you see this toggle, first time around you will want to hold it. When you do so, it takes you to the settings, and here just select Wi-Fi hotspot and then hotspot password, which will then show you the randomly generated password, which is set by default. I do recommend just getting rid of it, as it is a pretty bad password. And from there you can set up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length, and it can be letters, numbers, doesn't really matter. Click on OK to save the change, and well, that's really the only thing I recommend changing here. You can tap on advanced and see other things, like for instance having the turn off hotspot automatically checked on. I would actually recommend enabling this, as hotspot does consume more of your phone's battery, and if you forget about turning it off, it will just run in the background indefinitely. So I like to turn that on. Anyway, from there we can find the toggle, and this time around we just need to tap on it to turn it on. And that's it. Now, if you remember about your hotspot, you can turn it off by tapping on a toggle once again. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.